pop me down, and then that'll give you guys time to walk up there.
Okay.
You're gonna see a 90-degree bend up here. That's what I'm gonna be having fun with. So this is my homemade shifter kart. I made the frame from scratch. It doesn't have brakes. Well, it does, but the Bluetooth, they don't really work. So yeah, you just kind of, you point it towards the corner you want to hit, and you hit the gas, and you send it sideways.
We're just gonna be out on the road. I'm just gonna be posted up, just getting shots as normal.
It's gonna be awesome.
We'll see how it goes. And we got Shade as the driver.
He's keeping us real safe.
Yeah, I'm not a part of this.
The Muzzy's keeping us safe.
Is it loose?
Something feels.
You have to play? It's like rattling.
It's fine. Try again.
Ready? Yep.
Hey, you good?
Oh, I hit a telephone pole. Oh no! I busted it off the... Yeah, we'll have to fix that. That's fine. That's fixable.
Is that alright?
Yeah, we're good.
Dude, I thought you said it wasn't an off-roader.
It's not! He's saying we take it down the turnpike. We could literally just place it on.
Great.
I think it's good.
I think the tank just ran into a wall in the tank.
Very outside of there. Ew!
Is that
Oh,
in
dude,
there?
my whole frame's bent. Shoot.
Why isn't there a bar that goes from here to here? Why are we
axle.
on the curve?
The axle is the stiffener, but the axle gave out.
That's what I mean. So if you just had a bar here.
No, we might be able to fix it. Hopefully.
Heavy metal on the 5.6 guy.
It's so bad. These two clamp the bearing in, but the bearing had so much force going out, it blew through it. I think it'll be okay.
So the whole so this didn't actually shift on the axle. The whole axle shifted.
Like when you go around that turn, how do you know that there's no one coming?
When I was going this way,
Yeah.
no comment.
The cannon ain't they shot. You know that you up from what you last slide, huh? Looking for the phlegm at these superficial men back outside, turf living, I was dead. How much bread to heal your existential?
Time crunch. Let's see how fast we can get this thing back on the road. Oh wow!
Look at that.
Wow! It's still wasn't there though. That's crazy. Oh yeah, that's where it must have hit. Wow.
That's probably where it's probably hit the
Homes in his building, gun shooting, looting, took the youth out the children. I felt abandoned to keep it 1,000. When you spend on a jacket, we spend on fabric. When you're
Don't get that on
disappointed, there's no asking. Box yourself, be everlasting. At the deli for a chachis and a snapple, munching on these rappers like ISIS, Niger gas, letting them distract me. Yo.
Leave it to me to find a hidden telephone pole. That's crazy. It could have been worse though. Definitely worse. Oh, this is pretty bad. So this bearing got shifted when it impacted the telephone pole. It shifted the whole shaft this way, and it like slid in the bearing. So we're just gonna try and reset things and see how it fares.
We'll get it back running. She'll ride.
This is her maiden and something voyage. Well, the maiden voyage is the first one.
Maiden voyage is first, yeah.
What's the last one?
The final send.
The final send.
Steering always is stiff.
Yeah, it's always stiff. I'd rather have it stiff with no slop than slop. I'm an engineer. Yeah, so I can just put it right back there.
Or flatten that piece out.
I know, you're right. 100% right. But if it already did it once, it's probably gonna do it again. I'm gonna try that. We're gonna try it. Once we get this straightened out, I'm gonna try and
Shrooms in his gilding. Gun shooting, looting, took the youth out the children. I felt abandoned to keep it 1,000. What you spent on a jacket, we spent on fabric. When you're disappointed.
oh, look at that. She's already straight again.
Put it on something flat.
Big brain.
Collapse it.
Here, we don't need all that. That's perfect. Oh yeah! Come on! Come on! It's working. It's probably gonna spring back, but let's just get it far enough that it won't spring too far back. We just hear a snap.
Split the thing in half.
Okay, it's still not good. Spread it a little bit, but not enough. Not nearly enough. So let's put a block of wood on each side.
Step on that. Keep it down. I'm just trying to kick it over there. Where are you able to go?
Keep going. Keep going. 3 more pumps. Yeah, there you go. Now it's starting to stretch. Yeah!
Alright, that's good.
One more. It's better. Look at the chain. It's lined.
It looks better.
The chain's in line.
Yeah.
Ish. Keep going. Keep going.
I'm waiting for these welds to just snap.
Oh, dude, trust me, I welded them. They're good.
That doesn't give me much faith.
Keep going. 3 more. 6 more. 3, 4, 5.
It's falling off the ground, bro. It's going off the ground.
Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, 3, 4, 5. Holy crap. That is stretched. Hey, that might have done it. Hey! Sure.
Heavy metal on the 5'6" guy. Cannon ain't the reason he's a big shot. You know that you up from what you let slide, huh? Spent it on an album, not a wristwatch.
Crashed into a telephone pole, but we got the frame all straightened back out with the floor jack.
Take it out for a rip. I got the FPV, so we want to get some shots locked in before something goes on. We are firing up the drone. Today, baby.
I'm gonna ask this guy if I can borrow some gas.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's alright. Maybe the pump gave out? I don't know. But
You want to try it, and if it doesn't work,
yeah, we're just gonna go down this hill and
it doesn't work.
That's it.
Is that wraps on the car?
That's a wrap. Honestly, I'm surprised we got this rowdy of this thing, how it was.